Here's a pair of BERIBES headphones. I'm going to show you how to factory reset these, okay? The model number on these is WH202A. So you basically want to do a factory reset if you're having issues, maybe one side's working, one side's not, or maybe one side's volume's lower than the other side, or you couldn't connect or put it in a pairing mode. Anyway, with the factory reset, it's very simple here, okay? So first thing is on the right ear cup here, you have several buttons. You have a multifunction button or slash, basically a power slash Bluetooth button. And underneath it here is the volume up or skip to next track. And down here is volume down or previous track. And of course over here, you just have the equalizer here. You can change it to like jazz, classical, bass, and so on. So to factory reset these, okay, now these headphones are currently on, okay? Let me turn these off here, okay? Let me press and hold the power button here. Let me press and hold for about 4 or 5 seconds. Okay, it just said power off, okay? So now that these are off, okay, now what we need to do first is we need to put it in pairing mode where it's blinking blue, red, blue, red, blue, red, and then we can factory reset it, okay? So for mine, let's go ahead and turn it on now. Power button here, I'm gonna press and hold for like 2 seconds. Power on. And then what I want is a red, blue blinking light, okay? Mine's not blinking red, blue. It's not in red, blue, red, blue. It's not in pairing mode because it's connected to it's connected to my phone here, okay? So let's go and factory reset these, okay? So I need the light to be in pairing mode, blue, red, blue, red, blue, red, but it's not doing it for me. So let me turn these off first. Power button here, I'm gonna press and hold for 4 or 5 seconds. It just said power off, okay? Now, because I was connected to my phone, what I have to do now is I'm gonna press and hold that power button and I'm gonna keep holding until it starts blinking blue, red, indicating it's in pairing mode. And then from there, we'll do the factory reset. So power button here, press and hold, ready, set, go. Press and hold until it's in pairing mode, blue, red, blue, red. Okay, blue, red. Now it's in pairing mode. Now we can factory reset these. To reset these is a 2-key combination. What we wanna do is press the power button, press and hold the power button and volume down at the same time. Just keep holding until the light here turns like purple. We'll do it together. It's still in pairing mode, perfect. Power button, volume down. Power button, volume down, ready, set, go. Press and hold, just keep holding here. Just wait, it's gonna turn purple, up, purple. Now wait, now once it starts blinking blue, red again, you can let go. Now it's back into pairing mode. We just factory reset these. Now the thing is, like I said before, I was connected to this phone here, okay? So if I wanted, it's in pairing mode, so I can pair, if I want to pair it back to my Android phone here, my Samsung phone, if I go to my settings here, and then I'm gonna go to connections where it says Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, right there, and then I'm gonna go to Bluetooth, make sure it's toggled on, I'm gonna click on there. Now it's in pairing mode, right? It should show up on the very bottom here, but it's not gonna show it, because remember, I was connected to this phone before, right up here under pair devices. So it's not going to find it. I have to delete the original one first, WH202A. So let me go ahead and tap on this gear icon over here. And I'm going to tap on unpair. If you're on an iPhone, it's, I think it's forget device. If you're on a TV, it may be delete. Okay, anyway, we just deleted it. Now, if we go all the way to the bottom over here, under available devices, now we should see it. I see it right here, WH202A. If you don't see it, you can just rescan or turn Bluetooth on and turn it back on. It's still in the pairing mode. It should show up under available devices. So anyway, we're back here, WH202A. Let's tap on that. I get a pairing request. And it just said connected, and we're connected here. I have 80% battery juice. So there you go. We just factory reset it, and we paired it back to my Android phone.